Sure, here's the script based on your request. ***, by the end of the video, you will know about how to work out at the gym effectively. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to work out at the gym effectively. Whether you're new to the gym or looking to optimize your routine, having a solid plan can help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's dive into some essential strategies for making the most out of your gym workouts. First, start with a warm-up. A proper warm-up prepares your body for exercise and helps prevent injuries. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing light cardio, such as brisk walking or using the elliptical, followed by dynamic stretches to loosen up your muscles. Next, structure your workout with a balanced routine. This should include a mix of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility work. For cardio, you can use machines like the treadmill, stationary bike, or rowing machine. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of cardio to improve your heart health and burn calories. For strength training, focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups. This includes exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. These exercises are efficient and effective for building muscle and boosting metabolism. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. ***, 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. Additionally, incorporate isolation exercises to target specific muscles and ensure balanced development. Exercises like bicep curls, tricep extensions, and calf raises can help you achieve a well-rounded physique. Don't forget to include flexibility and mobility work in your routine. Stretching after your workout helps improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and aid in recovery. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes stretching the major muscle groups. Staying consistent with your gym workouts is key. Set a schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Track your progress, adjust your routine as needed, and stay motivated by setting achievable goals. Lastly, remember to stay hydrated and fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Proper nutrition is crucial for muscle growth and overall health. That wraps up today's video on how to work out at the gym effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you next time. Feel free to customize the script to better fit your style and audience preferences.